Christian. You're baptized.
I know that's the whole point. Me baptized, but me gonna baptize. That's what I'm trying to tell you.
Look here, Brother Desmond.
Yes.
Be careful now. You know what those things kill people?
So what you check me I do with it? Caress people? What is wrong with him?
Brother Desmond, listen to me. I'm not into no joke thing, you know. Let me tell you something, you know. You read the Bible. You're a pastor. Yes. And the Bible said, thou shalt not kill.
Hold on a little bit now. You seem to be going into territories that you know not of. What the Bible say?
The Bible said, thou shalt not kill.
The Bible said, who shall not kill?
Thou.
Where me in name?
Brother Desmond.
So you go look for thou and tell him that, not tell me that the Bible never said me shall not kill. What the hell is wrong with you?
You know something? You know something, man. What are you talking about?
I am telling you something. I hear say a Rasta boy a fool round my girl round on my lines road, you understand me?
Listen to me.
And you see anytime me buck him, me a shut off his laps. You hear me say?
Listen to me. This is not the place for it. This is not the place for it.
This is the place for it because you question me concerning it. Okay. You have anything else more to ask me?
So why you walk around with a gun?
Is this a part of the interview?
Listen to me, Brother Desmond. Please to put away that thing for me, please.
No, I put it away anytime it is comfortable for me to do so. In the meanwhile, I'll keep it right here because I can't trust them. Boy, we are trying to run me out of my church. I wonder if you don't understand me. Okay. Now, you come in like the little Rasta boy, you know. Same way there, when I bounce him, I find bike out of Harbour View. Sometimes you have to take back something make laugh. Now, this boy I ride in front of me I drive me F-160 a gallon. No, a pure dolly thing him there in front of me. Me go take me off of the road because it's one nice little trick of pass. But I'm a pastor. No, I saw a beautiful Christian lady passing. So it's like I took my eye off the road for a minute. When me look, now the boy that tap in front of me, the car give one rat. No, I mean ratted. What? And my brother, I straight up in the hearing. When you look, you see lots of flash all over the place like map.
And you're laughing?
So my brother, no, Mr. Sometimes you have to take bad things make laugh. Remember that. I'm quoting from the scriptures now. You see, when he go up in the ear, when the car lick him so, and he go up in the ear and I come down back, hear him now, hey, yo, star, you have to fix my bike before I reach back down.
Listen to me. I didn't hear that. I didn't hear that. And the viewer would like to hear it.
No, well, maybe we can't screw up his mouth. Him say, yo, star, you have to fix back my blur now bike before I reach back down there.
What a stupid man. I thought I was crazy, but you're a fool.
No, but
I did not. Listen to me. Listen to me. I did not say you're a fool.
Hey, that's why I mean like company them little yo.
Listen.
I am a different color pastor from anything you
I can realize that because I realize that you're a different color.
Look here.
Calm down, Brother Desmond.
Okay.
Don't get too bad.
No, I was saying that you see when him drop, come like it better him to stay up there. No, but you know, it come like a pure test in a faith me and meet up and from there.
What are you talking about now, sir?
No, just as I was coming into your studio a while ago, I see a little girl, I don't know if she work here or whatever. However, it come like she want to push up little front for me more than anything.
Little what?
Well, in the layman's term, we call it little front.
This is my program.
In the directory, you would say little vagina. Well, we'll leave it at that.
This is my program.
Okay. Let me put it this way. She wanted to offer me sex. And my gosh.
Did you take it or not?
How do you expect me to take it? I'm not a fornicator. I am a fire shutter. No. Well, of the gospel. Of the gospel, I mean. No, I said to her, well, look, my love, I don't make her know, so I don't want it. I said to her, I said, well, look, my love, I can't really handle that now. So what you could do, you see, fax it to me at the office in the morning, and I will get there bright and early and take it from there.
Fax it to you?
No, but she started to quarrel here now. I said, well, hold on, my love, I tell you better than that. What you could do then, you see, is email it to my website at www.Desmond come in a that.
So why, Desmond, so why on earth did I tell the girl that?
No, well, the reason why I said that, you see, is that, well, I don't want, why I wanted to come through the email is that if there's any virus into it, then the computer will pick it up before it actually reaches to me. You understand?
Oh, that's very good. That's nice. You know, I have to follow your footsteps.
Well, you will have to. A lot of people are phoning
What is
me,
one thing I do have a
and
fax machine?
They also tell me that if you get a wolf machine, that will, you know, sometimes in the church it can be a wonderful experience.
You know what?
Oh my God, yes.
I am Reverend Medea.
Yes.
And we'll take a short break. We'll be back with you in a moment.